Today is Tuesday, October 7th. This is the 1967, also 68, 4-piston caliper based front disc brake system. This is for my friend Scott in Colorado for his 1967 Cadillac Eldorado. These are also referred to as the Kelsey Hayes braking system, as they support the monolithic rotor that's wedged in between the wheel hub and the knuckle. Okay, this is a 4-piston design, unlike the single piston design that was in 69 and thereafter. This is the original 744-95 left hand and the 744-94 right hand unit. Okay, they were completely disassembled, sandblasted, corrosion treated with a surface treatment, resprayed in order to prevent corrosion by powder coating them. And of course, all the seals, the pistons, and the internal groove rings have been replaced. Absolutely beautiful. And these are fully functional, fully restored, totally rebuilt, original vintage 1967-68 Cadillac Eldorado front disc brake calipers. So these will be going to my friend Scott in Colorado as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. I'm also restoring his power kickdown switch for the switch pitch transmission for the 67 Eldorado, which I hope to have done in the next day or two. And in the meantime, we're depicting these beautifully fully restored front disc brake calipers, also referred to as the Kelsey Hayes calipers. Okay, today is Tuesday, October 7th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. Over 375,000 parts from 1959 through 1976 for Cadillac overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the complete braking system, including the retrofit braking system, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, October 7th. Thank you very kindly.